Y'all want to see what I be on in between writing speeches and trying to take over the world? Yup, camInstructor. I've been a fan and a user of camInstructor for a long time. I've used it when I was in the field. I've used it as an instructor and, kind of student at the same time. And I use it now that I'm outside of the field just to stay abreast and keep my skills sharp. So with that being said, because I was 3 of these 5, let me give you the top 5 people that should be using camInstructor right now. Let's get into it. So number 1, if you are a company or a business or a school or anything like that currently uses Mastercam, or hopes that you can one day move into Mastercam's vast suite of CAD CAM software, then you definitely want to check out camInstructor. It's an affordable way to upskill your people and make sure that they are getting the most out of this expensive software that you're paying for. Number two is if you are a CNC operator right now. If you're an operator, sometimes people use a derogatory term in our industry called button pusher. Let me tell you, it's not a great place to be. You're getting benefits, you're probably getting paid something decent, but you see those guys that work with you all the time that are having those brand new tools in their toolboxes. They got all the name brand tools in the toolboxes. Boxes are super dope. Their checks are a little bit fatter than yours, and they pulling up in the parking lot with something different every week. That's where you probably want to be. So go from being a button pusher to a button baller, to a programmer, to a real machinist, to somebody that can make edits at the machine, somebody that can do design in the programming room, somebody that can take your manufacturing and machining career to the next level. For under $100 a month, you can get a suite of Mastercam learning. You can get all of these access to these tools. You can get hard copies of books. You can get an instructor that you can tap into yourself. That brings me to number 3. Number 3 is for somebody that's not in the field, that has no idea about these fields. You might be down on your luck. You might be looking for some way to skill up, some job that you can get to turn into a career. You don't know where to start. This is where you start. If you can dedicate a couple of hours a day, you can go to the library, get camInstructor. They got packages for as low as under $30 a month for somebody like you that might be starting out, right? And if you stack this with some of the free things out there, like Titans of CNC Academy, then you can get specific Mastercam training and CNC training, supplement with that free Titans training, and now you've got a certification or you got ground to stand on where you can go get an entry-level job in advanced manufacturing. And a lot of times those entry-level jobs are going to be pathways to pay for an associate's degree and then a bachelor's degree for you on the back end. So earn while you learn and have a company pay for you to get your associate's and bachelor's degree if you want to, or you can continue to buy bigger packages of camInstructor and certify up in Mastercam, get in that programming room, make you like $100K a year. You know what I'm saying? 4, I'm gonna say, is for instructors, teachers, whether you are in the field or you are a teacher that wants to teach new concepts, wants to get kids introduced to these 21st century skills. These are where the jobs of the futures are. This is where the careers of the future are. And you want to get your kids ready, but you don't know how to start. camInstructor has a teacher's version where you don't have to know all of these things. You just have to be able to play some videos. You can learn these concepts yourself. It's going to be hard not to learn it. And then you'll have an instructor's manual that'll guide you through grading these students, doing their projects and helping them along the way, so you could be sewing into your school district, adding new exciting classes like 3D design and engineering and stuff that kids are actually wanting to listen and engage with. In the 5th group of who should use camInstructor are people that are already in the field. So if you are a vet, you're one of our great original leaders of the American manufacturing renaissance. You are one of them OGs. We know that your information and the knowledge that you have is irreplaceable. You know a whole lot. But with all this technology and all these new things that are coming into the game, we need you to know how to apply that great knowledge and legendary stuff that you got in your mind to these new tools that we have today. So stay sharp, stay on top of this technology that's coming out, and then teach us how to apply all that great knowledge that you have in your head that the textbooks can't teach us in these manners. All right, so that's my top 5 of who should be using camInstructor and why they should be using it. Follow us for more. Community transformation is coming soon. We'll be getting into the community, giving these resources away to people that could use them. We're looking to affect 1,000 people, get them into our industry, highly skilled, ready to run a Mastercam or a SolidWorks for you right now. If you want more information on how to join us and getting these resources to the community, there's a link below. And if you just want to follow our progress and follow the people that we're helping out in their progress, also click on that link below, get the newsletter. We'll be dropping stuff weekly for y'all. See ya.